To replace this knock sensor, you can go right underneath here, and it's located right above the starter. You can see it over there. There's a bolt that goes through, and it's a 13 millimeter socket, so let's get a 13 millimeter and get that out. Break it free. Okay, take that off. If you follow the wire, you'll see that it connects right up here. Let's go ahead and unplug the harness. Press on the tab, pull the harness out, and remove it from its retainer. Okay, and go ahead and pull the knock sensor right out of here. Now you would take your new one, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it first. That way that's done and out of the way. Make sure it clicks and resecure it right up here on the bracket for the dipstick tube. I'm going to get my socket on the bolt first so I can spin it and thread it on as I line it up. There it is. I'm going to hold the knock sensor so it doesn't spin as I snug it up. And then once it's snug, I'm going to go ahead and torque it to 18 foot-pounds. It's important to torque these because you want them to take a proper reading of what's happening in the engine. If it doesn't take the right reading, then it will adjust the computer incorrectly, and then you'll get running issues. And then you'll get runnability issues. Now, thankfully, I was able to borrow a flex head torque wrench from a coworker. If you don't have one, using a swivel is not the greatest idea because it actually alters the torque that the torque wrench measures. And if you have to do it by hand, just feel it out, make it snug, and then give it a little extra. Okay, that's 18 foot-pounds right there.